So I got this video request on how to fold jeans, and because it's a perfect time since I do have to fold some jeans, I thought I'd just knock this video out right now. So this is basically what I do. It's honestly nothing special, but I just grab it by the folds. You kind of gotta follow like the folds that come with the jeans. There is a specific fold, so it's kind of like pockets out, as you can tell, pockets out. And then it'll give you this like little flap right here to hold on to kind of like tug on. And then just fold over it once again. And then I like to have it like the tag and the pocket out so in my inventory, so it's just easier to grab. But then then you just put this into a poly bag if you want, if that's how you have your inventory system. But I have a couple of bins and I stack my inventory on top of one. So the poly bag, what I'll do is then I'll put like my serial, my SKU number on there, so I know exactly where in my inventory everything is. But yeah, I'll just put this in a poly bag and I'll show you exactly how I do it right now. So we got our poly bag here, nothing too special. This is just the 10 by 13. I get all my bags from Pack and Ship. They have the suffocation label, which I highly recommend that you guys get it. I get all of my shipping material from Pack and Ship. This isn't sponsored, but I just love how all their stuff comes in. All my poly bags for shipping and for storage. So then depending on the size of the jeans or whatever piece you're trying to store is the size of the bag. Since these are Since this is a smaller size, it just fits perfectly in this one. And then you just fold it over and you're good to go right in your inventory system and you're good to go. And that's just basically how I package my jeans. Now to ship is basically, you just slip this into another poly bag or whatever it is that you want to ship it in, and you're good to go.